Candle there, didn't you see that? Okay, let's start with the sky cam. Storm Smart sky cam, this one at Cape Coral at the Westin, and you can see the high thin clouds kind of streaming in today. That's ahead of that strong cold front, but a nice day overall and another warm day with a record setter again in Fort Myers. Take a look at these highs today, 86 degrees, and that ties the record high again, but this is about to end. That cold front coming through tonight will put an end to these record temperatures. It's sitting over northern Florida at this point, making its way to the south and east, and along it and ahead of this front, we've got showers and thunderstorms. Gusty winds now being reported in Pinellas County. Gusts possibly up to 45 miles per hour with these storms, and really wind and lightning is going to be the main threat. The tornado threat is really weakening, and some of these could become strong. We're going to keep an eye on this whole line, but it's progressing off to the south and east. The individual storms are moving to the northeast along the frontal system. So some heavy rain, a lot of lightning, Clearwater, all the way up to Holiday now, getting into the St. Petersburg, Tampa area. So they're going to pick up some pretty good rain out of that, along with lightning and gusting winds. By the time that front gets this far south later on tonight, it's going to weaken just a bit. So we're not expecting severe weather out of it, but we could see maybe a couple of rumbles of thunder, some showers with it, and some gusty winds. Temperatures have dropped now into the 70s, so it's beautiful. Immokalee 77, 79 at Naples. Golden Gate now it's around 77 degrees. Winds out of the south at 5 to 10 today. Some gusts up to 15, but it's these gusty winds coming along with this frontal system that could cause some problems for high rip current risk. Now, this is going to extend all the way through Thursday at 4 p.m. because of this front coming in. Coastal areas, that includes you boaters, keep that in mind if you're going to be taking that boat out. Might not want to over the next few days because of the wind. The front timing it out 10 o'clock around Tampa, weakening as it slides south, so about 3, 4 o'clock in the morning here it comes through the Fort Myers area all the way down towards Naples and Marco. Tomorrow the winds turn to the north, drier, cooler air comes in, actually much cooler than what we've been seeing, and those winds are going to turn out of the north and be gusty. That's up to those 25-mile-per-hour gusts and northeasterly winds on Thursday, both days. And even into Friday, our winds are going to stay up there. And looking ahead, above average chance for rainfall for Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, but above average temperatures. That's looking way ahead. 79 degrees right now. We've got mostly clear to partly cloudy skies. Beautiful evening, so if you do want to go out, go right ahead. The rain won't come in until later. 69 for a low, and that's also going to be the high tomorrow, around 72, with falling temperatures most of the day as that cooler, drier air moves in. Ingman Marine forecast, north winds at 20 knots, seas 4 to 6 feet, choppy on inland waters. Not the best boating conditions, and again, keep in mind that surf condition out there on the water as well. Here's your 7-day forecast. Cooler temperatures, we're staying in the 70s now, and a chance for rain again this weekend, both days into Monday. Christmas Eve looks beautiful, highs in the mid-70s, partly cloudy skies.